we're going to be talking about functions. And what is a function? A function is a relation in which each element in the domain, which is the x, is paired with exactly one element in the range. So let's take a look. If I look at this one, I'm going to look here. Here is a value. The x value of -4 only has one y value. The ordered pair, -4 and 3. The next point, I have only one point on that x value. It is x is equal to 1, y is equal to -3. There is not another point at x equals 1. If I look right here at x equals 6, I have a point up here and I have a point down here. So when x is equal to -6, I have two values, 6, 5 and 6, -6. Because of this right here, okay, I have an x value that is paired with two y values. This one is not a function. I'm going to let you see what that looks like as a mapping and what that looks like as a table. So as a mapping, my x value is -4, 1, and 6. My y values are -6, -3, 3, and 5. -4 goes with the, -4 goes with the 3. 1 goes with the -3, and 6 goes with the -6 and the -5. And do you see right here how I have two arrows coming from the 6? Not a function. And I'm going to look at an x and a y. I'm going to look at it at a table and see what that looks like. -4, 3, 1, -3, 6, 5, and 6, -6. I'm going to extend this. And it's not a function because we have two 6's here. And the last one, the easiest way to tell whether or not something is a function or not a function really is what we call the vertical line test. So I'm going to take a vertical line and I'm going to make it a little thicker. I'm going to draw one right there. Wow, that's really thick. Let's make it a little thinner. There you go. And if I can draw a vertical line anywhere and it touches my graph 2 times, 1, 2, that means that it's not a function. If I take this same vertical line and I have the exact same graph, so let me pause this and I'll come back to you with a new one. Alright, I'm back with a new graph. So if I take this same vertical line, do you see how every point on my graph, it only hits one time? If I put it here, how many times does it hit? Just one time. If I put the vertical line over here, how many times does it hit? Just one time. If I put the vertical line here, how many times does it hit? Just one time. Every place it only hits one time. Yes, this is a function. So that's what a function looks like. And there are 4 different examples of what is not a function.